Hey guys, it's Friday night and it's time for cocktails.
Absolutely. It's been a long, hard week, and I'm ready to put up my feet, sip on a cocktail, and read my book.
Cool. So what are we making today, Rahul?
We are going to make a Bananarama, and this is a phenomenal cocktail because it has that tropical banana flavor thing going on, but you'll see it's got more stuff going on.
Cool. Here, let's
So,
flip the camera.
We're going to flip the camera around here. I'll come with you so that we can flip the camera
There we
around.
go.
And so for this, it's a very simple recipe.
First of all, Rahul, can I just say that that's a very big bottle of whatever the heck that is?
That's vodka. But you know what? When you're having fun, you need a lot of vodka. All right. So
And it's on sale or cheaper when you buy it at Costco. Is that what it is?
absolutely, that's absolutely what it is. And I love this Costco brand vodka because it's it's very good. So for this recipe, we're going to go with one banana, and we're going to make two uses out of the banana. I'm just going to get rid of the peel there and the end there.
The thing with the banana is it's not very common in cocktails, is it, Rahul?
No, you don't find too many cocktails out there with a banana in it. I'm just gonna make quick 4 slices and just stick them in my prep bowl using my paring knife here, and the rest of the banana I'm just gonna drop into the blender, the quick cooking blender that I absolutely love because it makes absolutely smooth cocktails. A cup of ice, so that's in there. Now, ingredients. So I've got here cream, because it's going to be a creamy banana cocktail.
Cool.
I've got 4 ounces of cream, and I'm going to measure it in exact amounts because I have a jig here that is a part of my cocktail set, and I've stolen it for this purpose. It always comes in handy when I have to measure exact amounts for cocktails.
This would be a fun holiday cocktail, don't you think?
Yep, so 4 ounces of that cream, then 2 ounces of Kahlua.
Ooh, yum.
Type flavor in there.
With the bananas, that sounds good.
Oh, it's going to be really good. Okay, now I have a fair amount of cream in there, but I still want to make it creamy, so I'm going to put in an ounce of some Irish cream liqueur. So there's an ounce there. Stick that ounce in there. Okay, and then last thing, 2 ounces of vodka. And
This is a happy cocktail, Rahul.
it's a very happy cocktail that we're gonna really enjoy. So there's that in there. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside, stick the cover back on so we don't have a lot of vodka all over the floor. And stick the lid on, and I'm gonna go to my smoothie setting here.
The thing with this blender is I can trust you with it. You know, you've been known to turn on blenders without the lid being on, but
Yeah,
this one won't let
It
you.
won't let you turn it on without the lid
Yeah.
on. So there we go. It's gonna take just a minute. And all that ice is just gonna crush up. And I don't even hear the ice anymore. It must be done.
So that was what, 20 seconds?
20 seconds, and all that ice seems to have been completely crushed up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lovely. Oh, that smells so good.
Oh my gosh, it smells like bananas in here.
All right, so now to serve it, I'm gonna get 2 glasses, any kind you like, and just pour that cocktail right in. And one for you, one for me.
Awesome.
Stick
And
that
there's still more for
back
later.
on there. And then with the banana slices that I made earlier, I'm just gonna throw them on the side here. Well, I guess it's not gonna cooperate, so I'm just gonna try and do that. Banana is finicky, right? Because it's soft and no, doesn't want to do it. So we'll just stick it on top here, and that's what we're gonna call our Bananarama cocktail because I love eating munching on those bananas. So here, clink. There's yours.
And there's that monkey business going on around here.
Yeah. So that's a Bananarama. Try and make it sometime. Tell us what you think.